We will make this multiple timed subtitles video in KineMaster. First, let's start from scratch by importing our video into KineMaster. Go to the point in time you want the first line of your subtitles to appear. Select your video on the timeline, then use the scissors tool and choose Split at Playhead. Deselect and select the right part of the video, then select Clip Graphics. Select More Title Effects, then Center Low. Set a text color, then your text title. Go to the end of the video, and drag the subtitles to the left to make it shorter in length. You can see it in seconds. Go to the end of the text, and split it at Playhead again. Select the right part of the video, and add your second subtitles line. Let's watch it. To add more subtitles, repeat the process. All done. Please subscribe.